Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going on an incredible journey, not just across the world, but back in time, billions of years in fact, to answer a huge question. How exactly did our continents, the giant landmasses we live on, actually form? It's a mind-blowing story of slow, powerful forces that are still shaping our planet even today. Imagine our Earth billions of years ago. It wasn't the familiar blue marble with 7 distinct continents we see today. Instead, it was a very different place, much hotter, with volcanic activity everywhere, and perhaps just one giant ocean covering most of its surface. The first continents didn't just pop up out of nowhere. They began as small bits of rock, kind of like tiny rafts, forming in the early oceans from volcanic eruptions. As lava cooled and hardened, and as mountains eroded, these bits of rock started to clump together. Now, here's the really cool part. The Earth's outer shell, called the crust, isn't one solid piece. Think of it more like a giant jigsaw puzzle made up of huge pieces called tectonic plates. These plates, which are incredibly thick, are constantly, albeit very slowly, moving. They're floating on a semi-liquid layer deep inside the Earth, kind of like crackers floating on a thick soup. It's this slow, continuous movement that has been the main architect of our continents. Over hundreds of millions of years, these massive plates have been drifting, bumping into each other, pulling apart, and even sliding under one another. When two plates carrying landmasses crash together, the immense pressure causes the land to buckle, fold, and push upwards, forming towering mountain ranges. That's how the Himalayas were created, for example. When plates pull apart, molten rock from deep within the Earth can rise up, creating new crust and sometimes forming new ocean floor or even volcanic islands. And when one plate slides underneath another, it can cause earthquakes and volcanic activity, recycling old crust back into the Earth's interior. This continuous dance of the plates means that the continents haven't always been where they are now. Scientists have pieced together an amazing timeline showing that, several times in Earth's history, all the continents actually came together to form enormous supercontinents, like Pangaea, which existed about 300 million years ago. Imagine all the land on Earth joined up as one giant landmass. Then, over more millions of years, Pangaea slowly broke apart, its pieces drifting away to form the continents we recognize today. So, the next time you look at a world map, remember that the continents aren't just fixed chunks of land. They're dynamic, ever-moving pieces of a colossal puzzle, shaped by unimaginable forces over billions of years, and they're still on the move, ever so slowly, creating new landscapes and changing our world. It's a truly incredible geological story.